Alright, let's talk about something really cool today. You have seen those beautiful dreamy Ghibli style images, right? What if I tell you that AI can generate that with a magic, but with solid mathematics and deep learning? Let's break it down. So how does AI create something like that? The answer lies in the category of models called diffusion models. These models don't just randomly throw pixels in the dark and wait for it, like hoping for the best. They follow a process inspired by how artists work, starting from rough sketch and gradually refining. But instead of human intuition, AI uses something called text to image diffusion, and here it how it works. First, when you type something like Ghibli style forest with warm sunlight, AI doesn't just see words, it converts them into numerical representations using a transformer based model. This could be something like Clip, which is trained to understand the relationship between text and images. The model tries to grasp what Ghibli style means. It looks at patterns, colors, brushstrokes, composition, lighting in its training data and translate that to a mental image, just like an artist would. Now here is what the magic or mathematics starts. AI doesn't generate the image in one go. Instead, it starts with a complete noise, like TV static. Then step by step, it refines the noise to an actual image. This is where the diffusion models come in. Think of diffusions like sculptures. Imagine starting with a block of marble. At first, it's just a rough shape, but with each iteration, the details emerge. AI does this by learning how to denoise an image gradually, predicts what an image should look like, and removes unnecessary noise in each step. Okay, but how does it actually look like Ghibli style studios? This is where style priors, classifier free guidance come in. The AI has seen thousands of Ghibli inspired artwork during training. It learns the common patterns, soft shading, pastel colors, detail backgrounds, and applies those to image. It's a bit like how an artist picks a certain brushstroke style or color scheme based on their influence. Except here, AI is using the mathematical model to guide the aesthetic. Once all the denoising steps are completed, the AI does some final touches. It might use super resolution techniques to enhance the details, making the image sharper and more refined. Transforms into a beautifully Ghibli style image. So that's how AI generates Ghibli style images. Breaking down the prompt, step-by-step denoising, applying artistic priors to achieve that dreamy hand-painted look. Pretty cool, right? Next time you see an AI-generated art, you'll know the science behind it. Let me know in the comments you'd love to see AI master next. I'd love to discuss with. Subscribe for more technical contents and deep dives.